Hi athletes, this video is about the Learn and Earn feature on MyPAHL. Learn and Earn is a great resource that provides information on different health topics either in written or video format. Click Learn and Earn on the toolbar to visit the Learn and Earn page. You can choose a resource to explore based on your interests through the search bar or taskbar, or you can take a look at some of the different resources on the main page. MyPAHL includes some Special Olympics specific resources like the Fit 5 program in Learn and Earn. Let's explore the first Fit 5 resource, how to get your Fit 5. In this resource, you'll receive an introduction and overview that explains what Fit 5 does, a video, as well as some written instructions that include what the video includes. Complete all of the exercises included in Learn and Earn to move on to the next level. In this resource, there are 4 different exercises to complete before you reach the conclusion, where you answer a quiz and can earn 100 points. You can also rate the resource for how helpful it was for 5 points and add it to your favorites list if you want to revisit it at a later time. Don't forget to complete all of the actual exercises while you're going through the resource. Go back to the Learn and Earn page to see which Learn and Earn resources you've completed, and then move on to the next level. The more Learn and Earn resources you explore and use, the more points you earn, and the faster you are on a track to a healthy lifestyle. Let's get fit together.